Hi guys, Dan with New York See You Later here, and I'm going to be going through a little bit of the gear that we're going to be traveling with to shoot this blog. Let's start with the Sony a7R II. I've had this for 1 year and it's a great camera. Just got this flash, the Sony HVL600, which is great because it has a light that you can use for shooting video, such as the video you just saw Emily in, where she talked about her gear, and it has about 20 levels of brightness. And I also have an external microphone here by Rode for recording better quality audio, a little mounting bracket by Velo, and I also have a black rapid strap which I throw across my body to make sure that I never drop any of this stuff. And recently we just got a Sony G Master 24-70 f2.8 lens, which I'm very excited about. Super fast glass, and expect to be taking some amazing photos with that. And in addition to that, we got a Sony G Master 70-200 f2.8 lens. Really excited about this one. Shot some awesome photos of an osprey in flight with a fish a few weeks ago with this, and was just tack sharp. Also, we have a DJI Mavic Pro drone, which I've only flown 3 times. Looking forward to getting some more flight time with this, and some more videos on that in the future. Very compact, really good price point for the prosumer, and 2 extra batteries came with the Fly More package because you only get about 27 minutes or less with each battery. I got some filters for the Mavic Pro because shooting in broad daylight is a little bit tough. Alright, and then we have the remote control for the DJI, and we got a little plastic cover that keeps the controllers from getting messed up when you travel. A couple of extra batteries, rechargeable batteries, lots of extra propellers for the DJI Mavic Pro. Got a MacBook Pro for video editing and Photoshop and all that stuff. Got 2 hard drives to back up. One will go with us, one will stay here. If worst comes to worst, we don't want to lose everything. And then everything goes inside this nifty backpack by Lowepro. It's a ProTactic 450 AW, and it actually has this cool pouch on the back, which is usually used for a water bottle, but we use it for the New York City subway handle that we bring with us, because although we're saying see you later to New York, we'll bring a piece of it literally everywhere we go. This requires us to check a bag, a lot of extra expense, and it's very heavy. It's about 10 pounds. So in addition to all this stuff, it's definitely a labor of love. That goes right back in there. And then I also have the Joby tripod, which can be attached to anything, can sit on a table, you can wrap it around just about anything to use it as a tripod. And I have a mounting quick release bracket for the bottom of the Sony a7R II, as well as this beast of a lens I just got. Goes on here and just connects like that. And everything fits inside this most amazing backpack. I'll open this up for you. It opens like this. The long lens goes in here, camera in the bottom, the flash there, the microphone here, some extra little things for the drone. The drone goes in here, drone batteries go in there, the lens hoods for the camera lenses go in here, some miscellaneous stuff, batteries, compact flash cards, everything up top. This actually unzips right here, and the computer goes in from the top, straight down like this. You really couldn't ask for more in a backpack. And it also has a waterproof covering that stretches out and goes over the top, which is great for not having stuff stolen off the back of your backpack. We actually went to B&H with another backpack in mind, and talking with the staff about everything that we had led us to this backpack, and we couldn't be more pleased with it. So we'll see you off on the road, and check out NY See You Later, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.